Welcome. In front of me is a KODAK K12, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, before we get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Just make sure you peel off that plastic wrap that some of them have, and yeah, it should be good enough. Anyway, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on, there we go, the same side where you have the charging port. So you can see it right here. So grab the tool, find the insert area, which is part of this cutout. There we go. And you want to just simply push it in. You can see when you do, the tray pops out and you can now just pull it out. On the tray, you have space for SIM card and SD card. So I'm gonna occupy one of each. There we go. That's one. And that's two. So these cards will lay just normally on the tray. There's nothing holding them in place other than gravity. So be careful when inserting it back into your device. If you see that some of the cards might pop out of place, don't force it in there. Just make sure that they're laying correctly on the tray. And there we go. Now when you insert these cards, they should start working right away. Now let's give it a second and come on. Come on. Interesting. So it's detecting the cards, but the SIM card isn't activated yet. So for this, you would need to actually click right here on the power button and select restart. And okay. Typically, the SIM card pin, which I do have, at least I think I do, should be popping up on the screen automatically. But for some reason, this device decides to not do that. So we're going to reboot it and hopefully that will activate our SIM card. We'll see in a second. Okay, let me check if it's actually working. No, not connected device network. Data server? Not necessarily sure where to look for the SIM card, considering there is nothing associated with mobile network there. Although internet. That's interesting. I'm not sure if this device actually has support for SIM card, even though it has a tray. There is nothing I can find in here that actually would show that it does. There's no hotspot, there's no settings for SIM card, it's not detecting it. So either there's something wrong with this one or it doesn't support it. But honestly, it's a KODAK tablet, so I wouldn't really put it past it. So anyway, I'm going to keep it at that. If yours works when you insert it, that's great. That's how it's supposed to do. If it doesn't, and you still have a tray for it, maybe there is no support for it for some reason, but the tray would imply that there is. In any case, that basically sums it up. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.